Are you looking for the best headlight restoration kits? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best headlight restoration kits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Warrants to the original purchaser that Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit, the product, will restore the headlight lenses on the purchaser's vehicle to a like-new condition for as long as the purchaser owns the vehicle. If the purchaser is not completely satisfied, contact us at 866 774 7628 and we will replace or refund your original purchase to turn that frown upside down. Please have your proof of purchase available when contacting us. Of course, in order for the warranty to apply, we need you to follow all preparation and application instructions included on the packaging. Up next in the 4th place is the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit. If you are particular about protecting your headlight against the sun's ultraviolet rays for the longest possible time, the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit is a great option. It offers UV protection for your headlights for up to 24 months, and it also works well on tail lights, directional lights, and fog lights. This headlight restoration kit comes with signature abrasive technology for removing yellowing and buildup without damaging the lens. With 16 restoration tools included, the kit includes all the essential items needed for your heavy-duty headlight restoration and is our pick for the best UV protection feature on this list. The 3rd product on our list is the Meguiar's Heavy-Duty Headlight Restoration Kit. The headlight restoration kit market might just look like a bunch of similar products with different names. The headlight restoration kit market might just look like a bunch of similar products with different names. But the Meguiar Heavy-Duty Headlight Restoration Kit sets itself apart from the unusual, albeit useful items included. It includes a drill-attached wool pad for more effective post-shading cleaning and an easy grip hand sanding pad. It also includes a Plastax clear plastic cleaner and polish for easily removing stains and light oxidation from your headlights. You also get a bottle of a proprietary headlight coating that keeps your headlights free of oxidation for up to 12 months. The unique included accessories make this headlight restoration kit the most innovative option on this list. Second on our list is the Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. When convenience is one of the most important things you want in a headlight restoration kit, you should look no further than the Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. When convenience is one of the most important things you want in a headlight restoration kit, you should look no further than the Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. The kit includes a surface activator that preps the headlight surface for stress-free sanding, and it includes premium sandpapers of different grit ratings 400, 1000, and 2000 grit that allow you the flexibility to do a thorough job. Using the applicator cloths included, you clear up the headlight with the clarifying compound, paving the way to apply the proprietary clear coat that preserves your lens for long-lasting clarity. With a near-foolproof restoration procedure, this headlight restoration kit is definitely the easiest to use on our list. Finally, the top product on our list is the Turtle Wax Headlight Restoration Kit. The Turtle Wax Headlight Restoration Kit is easy to use and easy on the wallet. It is perfect for removing medium-level oxidation and restoring your headlight's clarity. The Turtle Wax Headlight Restoration Kit is easy to use and easy on the wallet. It is perfect for removing medium-level oxidation and restoring your headlight's clarity. The kit primarily works with a seal and heal technology that focuses on removing everything clouding the headlight and sealing it up to avoid a recurrence for as long as possible. The Turtle Wax Headlight Restoration Kit includes 2 restoration pads of different grits 2400 and 8000 that enable you to tackle oxidation and discoloration irrespective of the stage. The sealing wipe guards against future discoloration and yellowing. The premium features paired with affordable pricing make this headlight restoration kit our budget-friendly option. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.